Hey guys, it's been over 2 weeks since I posted a video, and even that video that I posted, where I lost my PC files, wasn't really a video at all. So, anyways, basically that whole thing with the PC files, I wasn't able to fix it, but I have no excuse for not uploading the Razor Shine mini review because obviously, as I said in the video, I was able to get the files back for that. But the reason I haven't uploaded, I've just been really busy with school, and we've been even though exams are not gonna be till later in May. It's currently April 30th, so they're not gonna be in the late May. Uh, we've been already preparing, and I've had so much homework today. I haven't really had time to edit my videos even on the weekends. Just wanting to enjoy my weekends. So I'm not gonna be uploading it until just when I feel like uploading. So that Razor Time mini review, I'm probably not gonna edit it till just from now till probably like I get done with exams. I'm only gonna be uploading when I really feel like uploading, when I feel like editing a video, because right now it's just I want to spend my time doing other things. So I'm just taking a little bit of a break for now, but I will see you by the end of May. But you could see a video pop up between now and then if I feel like editing a video and I have time. But I just want to make this announcement why I'm not going to be posting for a while.